Hello, my name is John Robert Piledo, and my dream job in hospitality industry is to become a chef. And uh, because why do I want to become a chef? Because I love to make foods, and it is one of my hobbies when I'm bored. And also, it is a very practical way to make money. And uh, what are my personal attributes? Well, I'm a creative person, and also I'm a very hardworking employee. And what is it all about? I'm a very hardworking person, and I know how to work under pressure. And also, I'm a very flexible employee. I can work at any positions, and also I can work under pressure. And I can work under pressure, and any task I can do it better. And I can do it better. I will do my best to do my work task done. And I will do my best at every task that has given to me. And I will give it all 100% anytime. That's all.